How to make a weed and feed lawn care. It is easy to go to the local gardening or hardware store and purchase weed and feed lawn care, but why bother when you can make one at home for a fraction of the price? Consisting of ingredients you might be surprised at, you can make your weed and feed lawn care in just a few minutes. Spraying your lawn regularly with it will keep the bugs and weeds at bay and keep the grass looking healthy and green. Things you'll need: 1 can of regular soda, 1 can of beer, ½ cup of liquid dishwashing soap, ½ cup of ammonia, ½ cup of mouthwash. Pour the can of soda and beer into a hose end sprayer. Both the beer and the soda will encourage important microbial activity in your lawn. The 10-gallon size is the ideal sprayer, but you can use one of another size. Anything smaller, however, and you may need to reduce the amount of liquid you produce, as it may not fit. Add the dishwashing soap to the soda and beer mixture. It is vital, though, you only use regular liquid soap as opposed to antibacterial, as antibacterial will kill off vital microbes in the soil needed for it to grow well. Pour in the ammonia and mouthwash to the mixture and shake well so all the ingredients can mix. The ammonia will break down into nitrates which will feed the lawn, and the mouthwash will kill bugs and grubs because of its alcohol content. Attach the garden hose to the hose end sprayer and spray evenly over the lawn in either early morning or evening. The lawn feed should be used every 3 weeks during the summer months or when there has been little rain. Tips: Warnings. You may not need to use the weed and feed lawn care product during winter. If the lawn starts to turn brown or dry, then continue to use, otherwise, don't. The weed and feed lawn product should never be put directly on the lawn, but first diluted with water. By using the hose end sprayer, the dilution is provided automatically.